some coffee.
Baking cookies again today. It is 5 days until Christmas. So gorgeous. Those are the Martha Stewart cakey cookies. Just another day in the day. What'd you say? Are you talking about my cookies? Are you talking about my cookies? No? Norman is actually finally starting to learn to just to lay near me while I work in the kitchen and while I work at my desk. And his hardest thing is that he has trouble laying or sitting next to me when I'm just watching TV or reading a book. Or if I'm not at my desk working. It's weird. It's like he knows I'm busy there, so he just lays near me. But he's coming along. I finally took up the pillow because he was just using it as a big sand pile and digging in it and throwing it around. So I put it away, and it's funny, as soon as I put it away, he seems to be doing better and not being so naughty. So I don't know, we just go with the flow. We just go with the flow and make cookies, getting ready for Christmas. We are not doing Christmas this year, per se. We are taking gifts to our kids and grandkids and dropping them and leaving. So we're going to, my cookies, well, my cookies that I was just showing you, they are going to be part of the gift. So that is life in the days before Christmas 2020. Just another day. Here we go. Let's help me. Yay! Oh, are you helping? Are you helping? You are such a good helper. Yes. Oh, yes. Look at you trying to get in that box. I know. Is it your food box? No, jump on mommy. Look. That's for you! Yes! Let's get the opener. Let's get the opener. Good. Let's use these. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see what's in here. Quick, quick, quick. Let's see what's in here. Oh, goodness. Let's see. Okay. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Oh, goodness. Oh, boy. Look. Y'all. Imagine if it was 50. Okay, let's put the box away. You want to play with the box? Okay, right there. Go play with the box. Oh. We've been waiting for this food to come in because this food we got is upsetting his tummy, and it's actually making these patches of fur fall out. So we had to get his wellness food in quickly. Yay! So this is how this morning began. Happy Christmas Eve. Bless Eric's heart. He's just so angry, but at the same time, he's not gonna not help this guy. I can't believe that the post office doesn't have someone to come and deal with this. I mean, they've got these guys out delivering mail. 5 a.m. The good news is I've got Norman trained not to recognize the doorbell, so the doorbell kept ringing and he just kept laying there. That was good. Come on. Can you sit? Sit. Sit, sit. Norman, sit. Sit, sit. Sit, sit. Sit, sit. Norman. Just cookies. I know. Happy Boxing Day, everyone. It is Saturday, December 26th, and it's very sunny this morning. It's a beautiful, freezing cold day. I can only be out here dressed like this for a minute, but I wanted to wish you happy Boxing Day and to let you know that, you know, I knew that this was going to work out because I have faith in people, but when the mailman drove up onto our front lawn on Christmas Eve morning, like at 5 or 6 a.m. when it was still dark and it was pouring rain and muddy, and then he said he'd come back and fix it, I kind of didn't believe him a little bit, just a little bit. But this morning, I have to show you this. Here's our mailman reseeding our lawn after the Christmas Eve morning. That's so cute. This poor guy. He brought, I can see in the back of his truck, he brought grass seed, and I mean, it's 20 degrees out there this morning. Bless his heart. So cute. Oh my gosh, this poor guy. And then just a few minutes I came out and saw this. So he has basically reseeded the places that he dug into the mud and basically made these 2 trenches here. So he filled it in with soil, and then he has put grass seed on top of the soil and raked it out. So that's what he did. So we're pretty happy about that. I think my husband was a little bit like delighted because he came running up the stairs. I was in my bathroom putting on my sunscreen for a sunny day. And he said, you gotta come see this. So, happy Boxing Day, happy reseeding day. And check out my gorgeous earrings that my husband gave me for Christmas. Can you see? Look at the diamonds. Are they not so beautiful? I don't know if you can see them because it's so sunny, but this is rose gold and little pave diamonds all over. Happy Boxing Day, y'all.